Hello, Brian Bracken here. I'm going to show you how to use TrafficWave on a Power Lead system page. So that's going to be quite easy to do because what we're going to do first is we're going to go to mycompanyadmin.com and then we're going to go to my web pages, because what I'm going to do is just copy one of my pages that I have already made up, and I'm going to copy this one here, Mom's Work from Home Fire Boss, and we're going to then copy this one and we'll just change this up just a little bit. I'm going to call it TrafficWave. And then just going to hit enter, and we're going to go to edit text. Then we're going to go to source, and in the source you're going to be looking for a specific set of code that you want to change, and it's right here. See where it says form action? This section here, that would be in regard to pretty much any Power Lead system form, and we're going to change this out, and we're going to change a couple of things in the input. Okay, so we're going to go now to TrafficWave, and in TrafficWave we're going to go to autoresponder, and then we're going to go to campaigns. We're going to then select which campaign. Now I'm going to use the keto one. This is actually if we're going to send out something like recipes for keto recipes. I don't have one in here that's set up for fire your boss, so this will be the example. Now we're going to go to integration and we're going to go to capture forms. And in capture forms, we're going to now go over here and click on this little lightning bolt and get form HTML. We're going to then raw HTML. And we're going to select this information here. Now we're going to delete a bit of it and modify a little bit of it. So the next point that we're going to go to is we're going to open up a notepad and we're going to put that information right here. Now we're going to strip it down to what we need. So we're going to look for form, which is right there, and we're going to delete everything in front of that. Now we're going to go down and just, what we'll do is we'll just give it some room. Okay, so you can see what I'm doing. Now here is the hidden. So you need all the hidden input. So there's another hidden one, there's another hidden, and there's another hidden one right there. Now anything that's a table or anything like that you can delete. And we're going to delete this stuff here to there. So basically what we're doing is we're grabbing the input for the form. Okay. And we're going to then delete the table information there again. And if you notice here, there's form at the end. Just delete all of that information after it. Okay, so all you're going to need here is for the input, you're going to need the ID equals .name and name .name. And then you're going to need ID .email and the same with name .email. And also in this one here, you're going to need this part here, ID. This information here, the hidden input forms, form information plus form and that information. Now what we're going to do is we're going to actually change out the form information to the TrafficWave information. Information that we're going to grab now is this here. We're going to grab these ones that are hidden plus this top portion. And we're going to take that, we're going to copy this, and then now we're going to place that into the form. Highlight this information, that information right there, and then we're going to paste over that information that we copied. There we go. Now you'll see that we have in here the form ID, okay, and the other information here. One other quick thing we're going to do is we added in this here. This is style equals quotation mark, text align, colon, center, and semicolon, and a quotation mark. So that's one thing that I hadn't shown you before. What that'll do is center up the button on the form. Now that will depend on the form that you're using. You may not need this particular part. And next is we're going to replace the name. So we're going to replace name and also the ID because we don't have an ID in this one. So we're going to go over to that information again, and we're going to select this here, ID equals .name and name equals .name. Okay, so we're going to copy that, and we're going to go again, and we're going to look for this where it says first name, and we're going to then paste over that information. So we can see we've got that in there now. We're going to do the same thing with email, and we're going to highlight that area, and then we're going to go back to the information that we have, and we're going to grab this here. So the ID equals DAMail and name equals DAMail. Copy that, and we're going to then paste it over this. There we go. Now we have one more thing, and once we're finished this, it'll be done. And we're going to add in right here. We're going to add in that ID. So we're going to go back, grab the information. So we're going to look here and grab this ID equals whatever that will be for you. Copy that, and then we'll go back over to the form, and we have it here just after the type equals submit, and we're just going to add that in there, paste it in. Okay, I'll take out one space. Now this form should work. Now what we'll do is we'll test it just to make sure it's functioning, and we'll go down here and save changes and move to the next step. And now we're going to click on view, and we're going to click on view page. Notice here everything's looking fine. This particular form has a couple other features that a lot of the forms don't have. We have a pop-up for the privacy policy, terms, and also the income disclaimer. So let's try this out. And I'm going to click here to continue, and there it is. We've actually transferred over to the bridge page. Thank you for subscribing. Free keto cookbook, download instructions below. With TrafficWave, I'm using a double opt-in. Want to receive their free recipes, then they have to confirm, and the download link will be sent to them. Now you can see as they're here, they can take a look at some of other products. These products are actually ones that if you click on, you can actually purchase. Hopefully that helped you out with being able to understand how to set up a TrafficWave page within the Power Lead system. Again, this page here is in the Power Lead system also. I have a link below this video, 30-day free trial. The one good thing about TrafficWave is for $18 approximately per month, you get unlimited emails and unlimited sends per month. So that's amazing. If you have 300,000 subscribers, then you could send that out 2 times a day, every day, up to a few million times per month without any issues. That's one real advantage of TrafficWave. Below you'll find the link for that, or even if you don't have the Power Lead system, there'll be a link for the Power Lead system below. Thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you on our next one. Please subscribe and click the bell icon.